Bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the right. Steady. Hold it right there.
Bring it down very slow. Watch the pins.
Pins aligned. Guiding it in.
Confirmed seated. Hold position.
This torque multiplication system is designed for maximum efficiency under heavy load.
Exactly, ensuring optimal power management throughout the cycle.
Finalizing the displacement setting now.
Confirmed. The pressure transducer is responding within specification.
The hydraulic oil marking is visible. Capacity confirmed at 140 gallons.
Good. The pressure gauge readings are stable. I'll finalize the report.
Verify the flow rate on H3. It requires adjustment per the schematic.
Adjusting now. Stand by to confirm torque specs.
Maintain altitude. Keep it steady as it crosses the bay.
Holding steady. Approaching the assembly point now.
I know! A little more to the left. Down slow. All right, I've got the pin started. Bushing is aligned. Pin is sliding in now. Good. That connection point should handle the extreme force.
Featuring professional hose protection, the Cat D11's armored hydraulic hoses and blade cylinders are engineered for unmatched durability in the field. Experience unparalleled operator comfort with our premium ergonomic seating, featuring advanced air suspension and fully adjustable armrests. As we move inside the spacious cabin, notice the professional operator layout. The large glass panels provide unmatched visibility.
Ensure this connector is fully seated before we close the panel. Hear that click?
Confirmed. The routing looks correct now.
Okay, hit the hydraulics. Pressure engaged. Watching the alignment.
Oil pressure is steady at 60 psi.
Confirming ignition.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Inspection complete. The D11 is certified for operation.
Our global dealer network provides unparalleled professional support, utilizing advanced diagnostics to keep your heavy machinery running smoothly.
From the fields of 1925 to the titans of today, the Caterpillar legacy is built on innovation.
Verify the torque settings on page 3. Ensure the linkage clears the pivot point before tightening.